couple of weeks ago, I finished my fab table that I purchased from Maker Table down near Nashville, Tennessee, and now I need some accessories for it. So I'm going to use a stainless bar stock. I'm going to make some locator pins out of that, and I picked up this F clamp. I got about 20 of them at Tractor Supply. They had them on sale for $9.99 a piece. Super cheap, so I had to buy a bunch of them. Now, I am going to just basically cut off the end here and weld on a bolt. But I know a lot of people have been using the 5/8 bolts here, but I have a little problem with that. As you can see right here, the size of it's just a little undersized. So what I'm going to use is a shoulder bolt. And as you can see, it's closer to the size of the hole, which would be 625. I think I'm going to knock out my locator pins first. I got this 1-inch stainless bar stock. I'm just going to measure that off. Go ahead and cut them to size. Throw them in the lathe. Get down to 5/8 of an inch, and as you can see here, they came out pretty good. Everything fits real nice. I cheated a little bit and I ground down the ends on here, but as long as this is 5/8 and fit in the hole real nice and snug, that's all that matters. Now I'm going to get started what I need most for the table, and that's the fabrication clamps. First thing you're going to need to do is go ahead and cut off your clamp. You're also going to need to use like a grinder or your belt sander to kind of clean off the end and put a little chamfer on it so you have a little more to weld to. Now, I told you guys, once you cut off this end, keep a hold of this piece right here. I'm going to use that with this piece, weld them together and show you a little trick that I came up with so you can make more use of the clamp. You can even use this 1/2-inch pipe. They have a 5/8 hole in the end of it, but you are going to have to take the seam out of it and kind of grind that out. Okay, don't laugh. I got in a hurry. I know it defeats the purpose. I have a welding table, but I did do these on the floor. As you can see, welds came out pretty good. And let's see how it fits on here. Everything's nice and solid. I'm happy with that. Now, as I told you, you didn't want to throw away that one piece. The reason being is, I went ahead and welded a sleeve on this. When you cut this end off right here, you no longer have a full clamp. So what I came up with this piece welded on the end, I just put that on there. I put a nut on the bolt that I left on there. And now you have a clamp that you can use again. And you got a little wiggle room because this will move from side to side. You just tighten down where you want and able to use this full-fledged clamp. Now, I had also cut one of my clamps so I could weld the shoulder bolt on like this. I wanted to use it on the side of the table and utilize the holes that were made there. Gives you a little more versatility out of the table. I almost forgot, this might be something you guys could use. They're a little piece from Strong Hand Tools. It's just like a little mag clamp. I've been using these just on the end here for round stock. So I thought I'd throw this in there and you guys might find it handy. Well, that's it for now. Hope you guys got something out of the video. If you did, please consider subscribing. But as always, thanks for watching.